and welcome to my channel. My name is Hannah, and in this video I'll show you how to make half double crochet stitches. Let's begin. First, I will chain 10 stitches. If you don't know how to do this, check out my previous videos. The links will be in the description and on the screen. I have chained 10 stitches, and to move to the next row and start making half double crochet stitches, we need to chain 2 turning chains. Let's do 1 and 2. Now we'll skip these turning chains and start crocheting into the third chain from the hook, this one. Yarn over, insert the hook into the chain and pull up a loop. You'll have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over again and pull through all 3 loops at once. The first half double crochet stitch is done. Let's repeat. Yarn over, insert the hook into the next chain, pull up a loop, three loops on the hook, yarn over again, and pull through all 3 loops. The second half double crochet stitch is ready. Yarn over, insert the hook into the chain and pull up a loop. You'll have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over again and pull through all 3 loops at once. And now we continue this process until the end of the row. Now we reach the last 10th chain and we have finished the first row of half double crochet stitches. And to move to the next row, chain 2 turning chains. Let's make 1, 2 and turn our work. And start crocheting into the third chain from the hook, this one. Yarn over, insert the hook into the chain, pull up a loop, yarn over again and pull through all 3 loops. Yarn over, insert a hook, pull up a loop, yarn over again, pull through 3 loops. Yarn over, insert a hook, pull up a loop, yarn over again, pull through 3 loops. Continue this process until the end of the row. And here's the last stitch, and we have finished 2 rows of half double crochet stitches. And here's what they look like. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and let me know in the comments if you were able to crochet the half double crochet stitches. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials. And see you next time.